There no world boss. See there no. We make sure we stack up from early, you know. Because we know say anything at all you touch, you know. A gold or platinum it done, you know. Right now, you know, Air Force One get free promotion, you know. Me not lie, Gaza Nation. See them there. See them there. We stack up from early because we know say here we are going. The price are go up. And the Air Force are go wear this summer. And on a lollipop thing. Here me say Gaza Nation. Vybz Kartel. Look at Vybz. Look at Addy. Take it to the US President ride. Air Force One. The only thing missing in the song. Respect to the girl who sing the thing, sing the chorus because a New York link up. But here what? The only thing missing on the track are Adriana. And no gimmicks thing. Vybz Kartel should have make Adriana sing something on it. I don't know joke shit because I see the last time I see this in a music at the Jackson 5 I see do this with Michael Jackson, Jermaine Jackson, Lataya Jackson, Janet Jackson, and him father bring them out. Like how you see Vybz Kartel roll out the whole Gaza Nation. And I don't know gimmicks thing. At the world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what go on, you know. Carefully. Hey, yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know what go already, you know? When I come for represent, full effect thing, man. You know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion bout ya. Watch me, no, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Wanna say? The world boss and the family take it to the US President ride. Air Force One. The rest are history, Gaza Nation. It now gonna be a mystery. A straight hit that. The song that gonna run the whole of summer. And you hear me? Air Force, you're supposed to pay the general because right now a free promotion you get. And I know Air Force One sell off clean. You see what I say? And that's why I'm gonna get my favorite color. Because no gimmicks thing and an unlimited edition, you know, go run go to the store and get it. No, we're not a joke thing. But here I say right about now. You see right about now, after look at Vybz, take him interview, Sunday the man them run go dig up Vybz Kartel cell, claim them a look for phone. After around 5 or 6 people going at the man comment box, and I try antagonize the man. I draw them, claim them, I try draw the man, you know. They show me I deal it. But it would be nice if the Jamaica justice system or the Jamaica security force, if them could have hear nothing or go on about where robber, criminal, or murderer go on with out the street and them could have run and go attack them like that, the country would be a better place. Remember the prisoner them lock up in a prison and can't move from there. So I know say the prisoner them for have phone, but guess what? No you see it, no you don't. Try to find it, no you won't. And no gimmicks thing. No form a lollipop thing that the inner it Gaza Nation. You don't know how we represent already. A real way. It can't be no other way. And right now, if we hear the news come out, after all them a fuss and fight, we hear the news come out where, you know, look at Vybz, look at Addy, I got feature from BET thing. You know say, well then, it's not no local hit, the man them find big commercial hit on the EP where some boy did a talk about a fuckery and them there we say dancehall royalty part 2 yet. Remember, you know, the year does start, you know. What a piece of bung world boss start the year with him, man. For a man when a signed to no international label, man. Eh? Remember, you know, Say Bob Marley, you, them you know, pick up this thing, you know, when Bob Marley drop, you know, them never even get to do a collaboration with Bob Marley, you know. Me say the first, me see this thing ever happen in a Jamaica history where music concern, you know, one person alone, me see do that in a music, you know, and at the Jackson 5 them, you know. You see me I deal with MJ with the one gloves on, you know, and the slide back business, you know, and spin and go by your toe and hold your clutch, you know, and girl faint, you know. And the last time I ever see that happening in a music. You know what I mean? So that is an next history again. I want to know if I get on a pen and paper and make sure I write down, you know, because the world boss, you know, stop blaze the trail and a set new record, you know. No gimmicks no there in a Gaza nation. You don't know how we represent already. Real way. It can't be in a form of gimmicks way. Right about now, you know, for the man them got Air Force One. Hear me? Air Force supposed to pay the man them. A free promotion them get. Air Force are going to sell off clean. The price are going to raise. And I don't joke thing. You don't know that. You don't lucky if you don't go downtown go find none. What I say? You don't lucky if this summer, if you don't wait too long, and this summer come, you can't go downtown go find none. Remember me tell you that, you know, no joke shit, you know. Remember the last time the world boss said Clarks, you know, all know the price no move, you know. All know, you know from when, and all know the Clarks price can't move. You see what I say? Anything where this man touch, remember me tell you something, man. It's like a masterpiece. You hear me? Cannot be removed. No form of joking thing in it. So, let me tell you something. So, all them that do, them that try hard for hold on the world boss voice, that enough to do no song, them all come with all some gimmicks thing, where them claim say, yo, him can't do song, but him have to give Lizard family them money. And world boss said, not a ras, me don't know nothing about Lizard, how me for give him family money. For no, not a ras, me don't know that. You see what I say? And them try so hard to silence the general voice and hear what one. The general voice explode international till all him offspring them, you know, I come take over the whole place, you know. So what the man them will say at them are the man them in a dance hall. What the man them will say at them are the man. And at them are the new thing. What the man them will say, at them, at every music them sing trend. And at them a whole up dance hall. Where them there? Oh, we never hear BET a call them for nothing at all. Oh, we not hear no international people a call them for nothing at all. How comes? So, look at Adi and look at Vibes. Fly past the man them already. Oh, God, man. Hear me, no, man? You see when that song you warm up properly in the street, because enough place I take them time walk back, you know. You see when that thing you warm up properly in the street, all icon and shot past them. No gimmicks thing not there in a Gaza nation. No farmer lollipop thing. You know a Gaza Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. I'm ever tell you no, say Gaza thing is like a brand new thing where you can't believe it. You so much boy you try and them just can't do it. Ask Shotty, the last time 10 star checking on the Gaza, police chase me down in a them jeepies. Ask Shotty Gaza no man. If 10 star and lay down upon him ninja and a bus all wheelies. What? Hear me I say, the song shot. It couldn't do no any better. And one thing miss note of the song World Boss and Adiana. No gimmicks thing that they in it. You see what I say? I'm not stop say so. I just that alone missing from the song. You see what I say? But the song well orchestrated, perfect delivery. The song is a hit song. Nobody now have to tell me nothing. I don't want to hear nothing from the radio station. Nobody. Me know the song it from me hear it. You see what I say? No gimmick thing no day night. It nah go miss. No farmer lollipop thing. You don't know how we represent already in a Gaza nation. It's a real way we deal with things. You know, yo, Gaza man, them make sure no go get on the Air Force from now, you know. Make sure no go get on the Air Force One from now, you know. Because look from this, you know. Air Force things sell off, you know, you hear me, I want you know, and tell you, know, look from this Air Force missy, you know, why you think me get 3? You don't think me easy? You don't know I grade me smoke and me no bun beady. Eh? No form a lollipop thing now there tonight. Remember beer boots what I wear, you know, because you know winter not finish yet, you know. A beer boots, man, I feel wear, you know, beer boots, we tall up a man foot and Timberland, you know. No, joke shit. I not lie to you guys and yes, and see them on a big, brand new Timberland. We step in our powder out snow and all them shit, them, man. I don't know from a gimmicks thing, man. We not lie about it, man. So when the time get warm up, we don't know a murder. Eh? Air Force One with some nice little 3/4 pants. A murder, man. White tees, V-neck. I want me to you, man, slap wear, shell wear, hotter than we hell there. No gimmicks thing in the inner head. Some mother. You hear me I tell you? I love how the general mark it up. This is what I deal with. Yeah, because you know nobody can do it better like the general, you know. So you see, anytime you see the general come and talk about a particular garment or a particular shoes or sneakers, you don't have to ask the rest, man. You don't have to ask. You don't have to question on yourself. Me tell you something, man. Girl, boy, big woman, big man, everybody, man. A Air Force, man, one, man. I don't know, joke shit, man. A presidential style, I wear. That's some of ya. Now, give me next thing that in I. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Good. You must say Gaza Nation, a presidential style of wear, Air Force One. That's how the boss take it. The whole family. Adiana alone miss it, but her name still in the song. The former gimmicks thing. I say respect to the girl who sing the chorus on the song. I not violate because of Brooklyn native, New York people, them and no gimmicks business. But the only thing that I think missing from the shit. I don't know, joke thing, Gaza Nation. Air Force sell off, clean. You hear me I say? No joke shit not the inner head. And the boy them run go dig up over the world boss thing. Swear things so well then, you know, can't find nothing. For say well then, you know, want to tackle the man music certain way, but here we go on. Now you see it, no you don't. Try to find it, no you won't. Now gimmicks thing in our Gaza Nation, you know how I represent already a real way. You see what I deal? If them could have moved so fast and quick and fast, but when time them hear news about no gunman, no farmer wicked man, no farmer shooting, no farmer murdering, no farmer robbing, no farmer raping, no farmer illegal activity, if them could have run so quick and fast and go tackle the matter, right now the country would be a better country. The island would be one of the prettiest islands in the world. No gimmicks business, not the inner it. No joke thing, not the inner it, my brother. You see what I say? Yeah. And from Sunday them over there I twist and turn and I deal with the prisoner them some way. Cause them claim say them a look for cell phone and them shit there. You see what I say? And them know say the little thing either go on over there. So they make sure come over Vybz Kartel page, come and provoke him around 5, 6 of them, you know. Comment wicked shit, you know, and the page just truth to answer the one there, you know. Just the one there, you know. I want to see where go on. I want to see where go on. Eh? I want to see where go on. Boy over there with all flashlight and all in me, say my search shit, you know. What I say? All flashlight boy there in the niggle there, man, all flashlight, I search shit. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that you can't stop Gaza Nation. You don't care how you try, you can't stop the movements bigger than my brethren, a worldwide movement. You can't stop it. It's bigger international and locally. You know what I mean? I'm sorry for my local people for say that, but more people international and locally and no joke of some big giant country it take over. Look on all a place like Russia. You know how big them place there is, my brother? Yeah? You don't forget, say, when I time a 72 country, Russia take when them have world power, and just because Samsung and embargo and them shit, them have to give up some of them because them can't feed them. No matter feel like a joke shit, you know, or a lollipop thing me I deal with, you know, my brother. You know how I represent already, you know, say a Gaza we are the 8, no other we are 10 star, the general. Watch. Air Force, sell off, clean. What?